In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube account to Discord. By linking these two, your YouTube presence can show up right on your Discord profile, making it easier for friends and communities to see your channel and support your content. It's a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Start by opening Discord on your computer or in a web browser. Look down at the bottom left of the app, next to your username and avatar. You'll see a small gear icon, that's the user settings button. Click that to open your settings. Don't worry, we're not changing anything complicated here. We're just heading to the place where Discord keeps all your connected accounts. Inside user settings, find the section labeled Connections in the left sidebar and click it. This page is where Discord lists other platforms you can link to your account. You'll see a row of icons for popular services. What you want here is the YouTube icon, the familiar red and white logo. Go ahead and click the YouTube symbol to begin the connection process. When you click the icon, Discord will open a browser window prompting you to sign in. This uses your YouTube account, which is tied to your Google account. Select the correct Google account, especially if you're signed into more than one, and carefully review the prompt so you know what you're confirming. Then, confirm the connection to continue. If you're already signed in, you might simply be asked to allow the connection and you'll be done in a couple of clicks. Once you've confirmed, Discord will take care of the rest. You'll be returned to the connections page, and you should now see your YouTube account listed there. That's your confirmation that everything worked. From here, Discord can display the connection on your profile, and some communities may recognize that you've linked your channel. A few quick tips if anything seems off. If the YouTube icon doesn't show immediately, give the page a moment or scroll through the icons. If no login window appears after you click, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, and double-check you're connecting the right Google account so the correct YouTube channel is linked. And that's all there is to it. You've connected your YouTube account to Discord in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother connection between your content and your community.